Abstract data quickly leads to misunderstandings and mistakes. Halocline allows you to experience your planning directly and to create it in virtual reality. The VR editor solution accompanies you in 3 planning steps on your way to the optimal production process. In Halocline Assembly, your product data are visualized true to scale. Through natural interaction, you can easily assemble your CAD data and get an overview of complex data without waiting for a physical prototype. Assemblies are defined directly in VR and can be integrated directly into the shop floor planning in Halocline layout afterwards. By building virtual boxes, you can quickly and easily realize your ideas for the production. You can specify your planning in more detail as required. Imported CAD data, load carriers, and elements already created can be easily placed. The quick modification of the data makes it possible to try out new ideas and build up variants. Switch to Halocline Performance to evaluate your planned processes. You can test assembly processes by installing components and simulating workflows. The recorded movements can then be played back and analyzed. This provides you with information about walking and grasping distances and allows you to check your planning for added value. Involve interdisciplinary colleagues in the planning process, even before implementation, and iterate your planning collaboratively. Through the rapid gain of knowledge and a clear communication of planning status, accelerate and optimize your planning process. Halocline. Experience rather than imagine.